Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to talk to you about a trick you can do when your kale is devastated by worms, by cabbage loopers, by armyworms. This is a 2016 All America Selections Winner Prizm Kale. Kale is very versatile. You can grow this in the spring, summer, fall. Sometimes it overwinters and comes back in the spring. But about 5 or 6 weeks ago, this plant was devastated by armyworms. Everything was chewed down. It wasn't worth spraying. What do? You don't need to dig it out and throw it away. I stripped the leaves away from the bottom half. You can see a couple coming back. But what happens is, kale is extremely strong. As long as the root system is intact, it's going to start growing. So 5 or 6 weeks later, I have all this growth coming back. Let me go show you another variety of kale and the stages of how I removed leaves and it popped back. So this is Lacinato kale, 3 plants in here, and they were devastated by the same armyworms. So I've been removing the leaves. This is about 2 to 3 weeks removed. It takes a while, but once they start coming in, they grow. And these got chewed down a little bit by my dog, so they were back a little bit bigger than this. This is about 3 or 4 weeks. And this is about at the 6-week mark. So you can see that kale is going to come back. So if you have a devastation caused by chewing insects, you just really aren't going to save it by spraying, you can strip the leaves down. And all you do is this. Remove them. Keep the stalk in, the root system is in, water it in, add in a nice, give them a nice water-soluble fertilizer, something with a high nitrogen. Once you strip the leaves down, and again about every 7 to 10 days, over a 3-4 week period, you'll give them plenty of nitrogen. The leaves are going to come back for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. We don't run any YouTube ads. We just provide garden videos to help you out in your garden. Thanks so much for watching.